Well, getting ready to start the Fox Creek leather ride. Apparently, we've just told we're going to hit the highest point in Virginia on the Parkway, so that's going to be fun. And nice little group, not too big, not too small. Hopefully, everybody can ride and get along well, and we'll have a good time. At least that is the plan. Hoorah! Away we roll. Camping area over there. Black Rock. So, funny story, the gentleman, one of the guys, the local here, telling us that Fox Creek Leather used to be basically like a hotel or rest area and restaurant, and that it was super popular way back when, and that used to be called Black Rock Hotel and Restaurant. So apparently up here there's a little waterfall, and the water came over the rock, and over time it just kind of dug it out and made a black street, and hence the name Black Rock. So see a little signs or whatever up here for Black Rock, you'll know what it's for, and little insider information from a local. The creek right there. I would guess that's the Fox Creek, right? So this should be about a 95-mile loop, according to what they were telling us and information on the flyer. So nice little 100-mile ride, and with a new group of people we haven't been able to talk to and met before. And obviously enjoy the ride and get to meet new people. It said as we hit the topmost point, it'll get pretty chilly up here, but right now I'm not chilly. No, it feels great. Yeah, pretty warm sitting there waiting. Yep, about 76 degrees. Beautiful fall weather. Fall just doesn't last long enough. Nope. I wish we had fall as long as we had summer or winter. Beautiful view. Yep. Bunch of little trees planted up to the right. This looks like brown, but those are actually where they cleared everything off and planted a bunch of little Christmas trees. Like I said before, the hills will be full of those as we go through. Yeah, looking back behind us, we got a nice little group of riders. Yep. They're in silver and orange Harley. Keep riding. So watch out for that. Yeah, that dude will run me over. Yeah. And some more Christmas trees. Beautiful mountains. Yeah, beautiful valleys. We're currently on 21. Need to pull off up here at Elk Creek onto looks like Connors Creek, Comer's Rock Road. That was that pretty bike we saw earlier. More tree farms. It's kind of funny, I really have no cell phone signal at all up here. Route tracking I'm doing with this Indian app is literally like Just tracking the air. Kind of funny looking. Got more trees, more hills, more beautiful, beautiful trees. It's corn. Yeah, no kidding. Chopped all the corn down. Here's what the cornfields look like going towards South Dakota now. On 685, no, 658. This is 658 on the backside of Independence. I think we're headed up kind of the backside to the Parkway. I think we're going or heading towards the northernest high point on the Parkway of the Virginia side. We'll head up that way just a little at a time until we get there. And right now we're just trying to enjoy some time in the saddle. Going a little slower than we would normally be riding these roads, but everybody's riding safely, and that's good. Rock up on the hill. Beautiful. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful right here. All these little tree farms and these back hills. Little routes and cut throughs. Absolutely gorgeous. So one thing for sure, you definitely ain't getting no high band internet out here.
Ain't getting what?
No high band internet out here. I'm fairly sure you ain't got to worry about traffic on the road. But thank you. Well, the roads already look better in this county. On Route 16. Alright, so it looks like we pulled off Route 16 and now we're on Fairwood Road. A lot of trails up here, a lot of camping up here, a lot of hiking up here. Beautiful day, beautiful area. We're still in the mid-70s, which is about where we've been pretty much since we left this morning. And again, horse trails everywhere, horse creeks and fields. But absolutely beautiful, and just continue this beautiful ride. And when you guys are watching this, brought to you first by Twin Throttle Travel, but also you'll be watching this at least 2x speed, because we have literally been crawling along for the day. And we will enjoy this ride and head on down the way. Beautiful horses.
Oh, man.
We will see y'all when we get there. Go ahead, get on up there. Go park cockeyed, okay? Don't park straight, park cockeyed, like you're pulling out. Doing good, dude. I stopped at this little place right here on the right.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. They had a meet up here one time with the Victories, and it was right there at that little, I parked on the other side of the road. When I first got my Magnum, before I did all that paint work and everything before the accident, It was when I first got that. I'll never forget the little arrogant freak who walked up to me. I can't believe that's a sticker and they cleared over instead of it being a paint job. I just can't believe that. Well, I put all these miles on them, blah, 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 blah. I said, well, that's awesome, dude.